Kundi dahil din sa kanyang biyaya, sa tulong nila Mama Rita, ng ating Pastor Herbie, sobrang talagang hindi namin ma-realize kung bakit kami tumagal ng ganong taon. And tonight, I want to make this special because, babe, you become my best friend, my lover, my one and only, my soon-to-be wife, my number one baby. Kaya naman, kakantay ko itong kanta nito para sa'yo. Wala talaga kayo, wala. Mama Lita, I'm not nervous today because I am sure of what I'm going to say. So bear with me, please. Always pa nga. So bear with me, please, if I take up too much of your time. You see that I am so in love with your youngest. She's my everything, and all that I know is it would be such relief if I knew that we were on the same side, Mama. 'Cause very soon I'm hoping that I could marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Bring her the best of me, give her the best of me till the day that I die. Ayusin mo promise tayo. Gonna marry your princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I ever see. Can't wait to smile as she walks down the aisle from the arm of her tatay. On the day that I marry your daughter. Ako naman gano'n. Salamat, Lisa. Today and every day. Sobrang baba na, sorry na. Marry me, because I have planned to do this on this ground. Say you will. Let me go together, here we go. Say you will. Bridge ko lang. I promise you to sing to you when all the music dies. Promise you that you decide to be happy by my side. Baba, no? Di pa tapos. Because I plan to do this on this ground. Say you will. Say you will. 1 million question. Hindi ko na uulitin to, hindi ko na uulitin to. Minsan lang ito, isang beses lang ito. Babe, will you marry me? Time is up. Pastor, salamat po, Pastor.
Yes ka lang. First, tulungan lang ako sasagot.
Mama, kasi nga, kaya ako siya pinapupunta. Kakantahan ko siya eh. Yan, salamat po, salamat sa mga leaders, sa pastor namin, kay Edel. Nagpaalam ako dito. Talaga namin po. Thank you, Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.